Hello, dear students. How are you today? I hope that you have enjoyed your vacations and let's start working. The first activity is to check the new keywords of this day, so you have to repeat after me. Then you have to write a short story using them. The first word is by yourself. By yourself means without company. Example, you made the activity by yourself. Town. Town means a small city. Example, the town is so beautiful. Meteorologist. It means weather forecaster. Example, he is a meteorologist. Outbreak. Outbreak means disease. Phenomenon. Phenomenon means a natural occurrence. Precipitation. Precipitation means meteorology, rain, snow, etc. So now you have to take your Uno book and you will open it on pages 72 and 73. First, you have to read extreme weather reading that is in your Ozone Reader. In exercise number 1, you have to ask people about their experience with extreme weather. Based on this discussion, you have to create a definition by yourself of extreme weather. Example, definition, weather's condition. Examples, tsunamis, hurricane. Exercise number 2, have you ever experienced a hurricane flood? You have to fill in the chart about your experience. After reading extreme weather, you have to write one characteristic of each kind of weather below. In exercise number 4, you have to write its main characteristics about extreme weather phenomenon. The last activity is to go to Forum 5 and answer the following question. Where can we find a shelter? So that's all for today. See you tomorrow. Have a good day and enjoy your day.